we counted yung before when we passed this highway, we counted more than 200 curves. Ito karami. Pwede we're in Carmen, North Cotabato, boundary na ng going Bukidnon. So this area is around 4 hours to Cagayan. Sa gitna siya, Cagayan and Jensen. Improve na rin yung road conditions compared before. Better. May kurakot dito siguro, konti lang masyado. Or meron, baka nasa 10 to 20% lang. Kasi natapos yung kalsada eh. So this is one highway na for those kurbada. Ganda dito if you drive, dapat kasama kang yung navigator apps para ma-anticipate mo yung curves. Maraming curves talaga. Ganda pa na, no? It's a nice place to drive. Hindi rin mawala yung checkpoints. Every 5 to 10 kilometers may checkpoint. Natin sanahan. Expected time of arrival in Laguindingan Airport 4:43.